In 2011, brave warriors took to the field of combat for the first time to have their names and ancestors praised in song. And again in 2012, those same warriors were joined by others in an epic struggle for domination and 4 hours of PTO. It has been long since the trumpets have sounded and the terrifying whistle of foam projectiles has filled the air. That time when a proud few will enter into legend and forevermore have their names spoken with hushed reverence is upon us again. Welcome to Nerf War.